Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a little voiceover today because I'm just feeling a little bit under the weather. We're going to do an eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. We are going to accentuate our deep set eyes and it is going to be so easy. So I'm using my Makeup by Mario set. We're going to use two shadows. It's going to be super simple. So we're going to go in with this first shadow, which is M12, so a nice neutral dark brown. I want you guys to use a small round dome brush. This will give you more precision applying a deeper colored shadow. And we are going to start off by putting that in really close to our crease and in our crease. We don't want to go too high up on the brow bone because we want to keep it looking really natural, and we just want to warm up that inner crease line. That can be a little bit cooler sometimes with deep set eyes. We're going to go about 3/4 of the way across the eye, so not into the inner corner. And then we are going to, you can see it looks nice right there. Okay. We're going to take that and we're going to go around and underneath the eye. It's going to leave our lid nice and bright, and we are not applying eyeshadow to our lid. This is just going to look really natural and almost like you've contoured or accentuated your eyes. So I like putting brown underneath the eye just to soften that. And yeah, it's super easy. So we're just going right around like a C around our eye, and just circular motions, just buff that in and around the crease and under the eye. You can always go in and add some more color for more depth. But yeah, that's so easy and you will not mess this up. Now we're going to take a fluffier brush. So whatever fluffy brush you enjoy using, you can see your lids look nice and bright and big. And then we're going to go into M1 on the diagonal opposite side, which is a nice neutral color as well. And we're going to buff that on top of our deeper tone and up onto the brow bone. We're going to follow the same pattern, and that's just going to soften the brow bone and just kind of contour the outer part of the eye. So we're putting depth underneath and on the outer part of the eye, and we are keeping brightness by the brow bone. We are keeping brightness on the inner corner of the eye, which is going to make our deep set eyes look more awake and bright. And this is just such a flattering and easy eyeshadow look to do. So I'm just showing you, yeah, that is where we want to keep our brightness in that area, and then just take the depth on the outer corner. Alright, so I went in and applied mascara. It's kind of got like a soft grunge vibe to it, but being really natural and so easy, like I said. And if you guys haven't already, oops, this is upside down, pick up the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow set. This is the neutrals. It is so good. You will use it every day. It will be all you ever need. Thank you guys for watching.